We will always support each other. Always. No competition between us. Even if we become successful, yes, friendship first.
You've probably seen those viral AI dialogue videos getting millions of views and wondered how people are making them. Maybe you even tried creating one yourself, but the final result didn't feel emotional or realistic enough. I understand that frustration because I went through the same thing. But after testing different AI tools and storytelling methods, I found a simple workflow that actually keeps people watching to the end. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I create emotional, viral AI dialogue videos using just 2 free AI tools, even as a beginner. And stay till the end because I'll reveal the storytelling trick that makes viewers emotionally attached to your AI characters. The first thing you need is a strong script, and this is where ChatGPT becomes your secret weapon. Instead of asking ChatGPT for a random story, give it a very specific instruction. For example, write a short emotional dialogue between a poor boy and a billionaire at a restaurant. Make it cinematic, emotional, and unexpected. The more emotion you add, the stronger the final video becomes. Here's a trick most creators don't know. Viewers stay longer when the dialogue creates curiosity. For example, why would a billionaire cry after hearing one sentence from a poor boy? That single question alone can keep viewers watching to the end. Here I typed, "Hi, I need short, emotionally engaging YouTube story ideas about 2 school friends. Make the stories viral, relatable, and full of suspense. End each one with a powerful life lesson that can connect with audiences worldwide." ChatGPT generated over 10 story ideas. I went through them and picked the one I liked most, number 6. Then I sent another prompt. I need a short dialogue for story number 6. Use simple Nigerian English, not pidgin. Keep the sentences short. ChatGPT generated the dialogue, but the characters were male. Since I wanted female characters, I simply asked it to change them into girls. And just like that, the dialogue was ready. Quick tip, keep your scenes short. Short scenes usually perform better because they hold attention longer. After that, I told ChatGPT, give me image prompts for this story in 3D Pixar style. You can choose any art style depending on the kind of story you want to tell. At this point, the story idea, script, dialogue, and image prompts were all ready. Pause the video anytime to screenshot any prompt you need. Now that the script is ready, it's time to create the visuals. For my images, I used ChatGPT because the quality is excellent and the character consistency is much better. Inside ChatGPT, generate cinematic images for every scene in your dialogue. For example, consistency is extremely important. Your characters should look similar in every scene, so always repeat details like clothing, hairstyle, age, and lighting. Most beginners ignore consistency, and that's why their AI videos look unrealistic. Don't make the same mistake. So here, I simply copied the image prompts ChatGPT had already generated, opened a new chat, pasted them one after another, and these were the results. You can see the quality. You can see the consistency. It looks amazing. Always remember to include your preferred aspect ratio before generating the image. Now comes the fun part, bringing the images to life. For animation, we'll be using Flow by Google. Open your browser, type Flow Google, and open the first result. Once the website opens, sign in with your Gmail account, and you'll see this interface. Click New Project. Inside the project page, click the plus icon at the top right corner and select Upload Media to import your images. Next, tap the plus icon again to add the first image into the prompt box. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first dialogue, paste it here, and click on the video settings icon. Choose the aspect ratio that matches your image. Then select how many variations you want the AI to generate. Google Flow gives you 50 free credits daily. Depending on the model you choose, you can generate several videos each day. OmniFlash uses 25 credits per video. VO 3.1 Fast uses 20 credits. VO 331 Quality uses 100 credits, but VO 3.1 Lite uses the least, only 10 credits per video. Once your settings are ready, click the Generate button. And just like that, your video is ready.
Only one student will get the international scholarship. You also applied? Yes, I did not
Look
tell
at the
you.
camera movement,
Why?
the lip sync,
I was
and the
afraid.
cinematic feel. It looks incredibly realistic. If you're satisfied with the result, click and hold the video to download it, or make adjustments and generate again. That's how you upload your images into Flow and animate them scene by scene. You can also add camera movement, facial expressions, and smooth transitions to make the scenes feel more cinematic. Even small movements can completely change the emotional impact of a scene. And here's another important secret. People connect more with emotion than perfect visuals. So focus on storytelling first, not perfection. Look at this before and after clip. Same image, but the animation completely changes the feeling. Now let me show you how to increase your chances of going viral. The first 3 seconds are everything. Always start with a question, a shock, or an emotional moment. For example, "Dad, why are rich people scared of us?" The billionaire froze after hearing the boy's final words. She laughed at the poor man until she saw his watch. These hooks create curiosity, and curiosity keeps people watching. Another important trick, add subtitles. Most people watch videos without sound, especially on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Subtitles can massively increase watch time. And that's exactly how to create viral AI dialogue videos using ChatGPT and Flow. AI dialogue videos are exploding right now across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. People are getting millions of views using emotional stories, funny conversations, and cinematic AI scenes. And the best part is that this space is still very new, which means there's still a massive opportunity for creators who start now. So start creating. Don't wait for perfection. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more free tools and powerful resources.
We will always support each other. Always. No competition between us. Even if we become successful, yes, friendship first.
Only one student will get the international scholarship. You also applied? Yes, I did not tell you. Why? I was afraid. People are saying you copied my project idea. That is not true. Then why did you submit the same topic? Because we studied together. So you wanted to beat me? No, Amaka. So this is who you are now? You changed first. I trusted you, and I trusted you too. I missed our friendship. Me too. We allowed one scholarship to destroy everything. We were young. Are we still friends? Yes, if your heart is still clean. Good evening, BC. Evening, Amaka. Competition can push people forward. Yeah. But jealousy can destroy beautiful relationships.